Για να μάθεις να πετάς ψηλά, πρέπει να μάθεις το σωστό τρόπο και να το κάνεις με ασφάλεια. Σε αυτήν την εκπομπή του Action Sigma Web TV, η κορυφαία εταιρεία Hellenic Drones, μέσα από ένα εκπαιδευτικό σεμινάριο, στέλνει τα κατάλληλα μηνύματα πτήσης για πιλότους drones. Με σημαντικούς ομιλητές και εξαιρετική δομή εκπαίδευσης, η Hellenic Drones μας βοηθάει να απολαμβάνουμε ένα ασφαλές περιβάλλον πτήσης.
I feel stronger, I feel stronger than I used to.
My name is Roberto Pastini, I'm the Director of Sales at Flyability, and today we have been invited by Hellenic Drones to take part into this seminar for maritime applications for drone and anti-drone systems. At Flyability, we're a Swiss company, we're the developers, and we commercialize the world's first collision-tolerant drone that can be used for industrial inspections in assets where access is particularly difficult. So today we presented potential applications for the maritime industry, including ballast tank inspection as well as cargo holds, but there's many other applications that can be explored in the oil and gas and chemical world. I'm very happy to have been invited in this first of its kind seminar. We were accompanied by other companies that also have very relevant solutions with respect to anti-drone solutions. So yeah, we're looking forward at the possibilities of developing the market here in Greece with Hellenic Drones, and thanks everybody for having us today.
My name is Eric van Wilson. I'm the head of Martech COES. Martech COES is a UK-based company. Today was a great day because we were invited by Hellenic Drones to submit content for their seminar. We were here together with other companies, and our topic was to speak about anti-drones. I think the response of the audience was great. They were really engaged, and I think this is something that will be a hot topic for the coming period for Hellenic Drones in Greek, focusing on any threats what is out there. I'm looking forward to continue this phase by showing anti-drone capabilities on the detection side and on the defeat side. Very well received. So yes, again, I'm very happy with the results today, and I think our business partner Hellenic Drone is as well.